Hi guys, it's me and my sister here for another Christmas present special. So Merry Christmas, I wish you a Happy New Year.
Yes, please stop talking so fast. So we're going to do Calico Critters
Sets. You can read yourself.
Sorry. So we have this like little cute baby bedroom and a loft. So and we also have these blind bags.
So
they're like babies.
Should I go first?
Sure.
Shall I?
By the way, these are Christmas presents that we got.
I'm hoping for the white/black cat, but
Like the one that we have.
just a baby one. Let's see which one I got.
Yep.
I see orange.
You probably got the cat.
Oh, it's adorable. Where's this little? There it's.
And those probably are like little pet shops.
They're just little trumpets.
Okay, now I'm gonna do mine while you're getting that ready. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
So I'm gonna open mine up.
This one's adorable.
So we have.
So you're hoping for the white bunny, right? Or the cat, just like I was. You're moving the camera.
Sorry, I moved. Ah.
Don't fall over, camera.
Yeah, please. Also, my candy fell on my lap. Yes, I do have candy with me.
I need the scissors.
So, let's just see what's in here. Can you do that, like, off camera? Because
I did it already.
Okay, I need to cut this. Snip that. Okay, I can't wait to see which one I got. I see blue.
You must have got either the bunny.
I got the bunny with the drum!
Yay! You did?
Yes.
Congratulations! You got the one you wanted.
Look how cute that bunny is. Why don't you show us yours while I'm getting my stuff out?
Here's my little cat.
Okay, little, right?
Little cat. Has a little tiny trumpet and it's wearing an orange thing.
Like an orange little baby outfit. Where's,
Do, 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 do.
Oh, so cute.
Do.
And like, just has a little. Okay. Let me just move this packaging out of the way.
Here she is on this.
Okay, now I'm going to show you off mine. So I have this cute little bunny. It's not white. I thought it was white. It looks very white on the packaging.
Yeah.
Look in the packaging.
It's still cute.
There's the bunny. It looks very white. But here's this.
It's more of a creamy color.
It's like a little bunny.
Look at his little ears.
Don't look at his back. His pants are ripping. And then we have this drum. It's a little bunny drum.
I should show the trumpet.
Yeah, with 2 drumsticks.
There's a trumpet.
So cute.
Yeah.
So now to probably start opening that.
Okay. I'll open it on camera if you want to open that off camera.
Okay, I'll open this. It's like pull out and this
Wow.
really cute baby little bed.
It comes with a bunch of outfits
Oh my gosh, so cute.
and stickers.
Look how cute this is. Look at these. It comes in a little slide.
I knew I wanted this for a reason. Of course I wanted this for a reason. It's adorable. Look, it comes with a little
Pillow.
It's a little pillow.
We've broke ourselves a cat. I'm calling you cat here and cat ears.
Oh no!
I'm
The
pulling.
stickers. Here's this.
Probably should open.
Oh, maybe they aren't stickers. They're foldable things. They're like baby foods.
It's pretty cute.
Or maybe they are stickers. I don't know.
Cute.
We'll have to find out.
Yeah.
We'll have to call our dad over
Yeah.
to see what they are.
I can tell this with everything.
Yeah. So, yeah.
Ah!
This looks like something you will fold, though. So, I'm going to try to.
Fold it. Where do you put this ladder? Oh, like, right here, I think. But you can put any sheets you want on this. It just comes with pink little sheets. But I'll probably be changing that because pink is not my favorite color.
It's one of my favorite colors, though.
One of them.
I have like 3 dozen.
It's a lot of colors that you like.
I don't think there's actually that many colors in the world.
3 dozen?
Yeah.
He definitely has. You know how many shades of colors there are?
Oh yeah, there's like thousands.
Different shades. Look, we can put our babies in there. And like the Calico Critters thing. We should fold it. Can we try to fold it?
Yeah, well I opened this. Okay, so this is the point we've all been waiting for. Oh no, gosh no.
Except for those falling down. That was not what we were looking for. Ugh. Does it come with a lot of things?
Yes. Oh no.
You made everything go everywhere.
No.
Like, you pushed so many things off of the table.
Sorry. It's just hard to open.
All of this stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Baby toys.
Try and find out where everything goes. Because the
There's
doors
like
fell
a
out.
cute little dresser. I'll get some of this stuff out.
Okay. Will I cut this open?
Yep. Where's the scissors? Hard open.
Here.
That there.
This is the adorable stuffed animal.
Oh, so cute.
That's the first thing I pointed out when I showed her.
Yeah, don't mind this.
We just love this.
Don't mind me. I'm just eating a lollipop.
It's just staring at you.
I was eating a lollipop.
Yeah. It sounded gross though.
You sound gross.
How dare you? Where's the scissors? Where'd you put the scissors?
Oh, they're over here. Here you go. Is there a mirror on this? Because if there isn't, I'll be very mad. No, okay. So,
Why will you be very mad?
because there's literally a mirror on the packaging. So here's my loft. You can like do that in the background while So here's this loft I got. It has like this little top bunk, of course, because it's a loft.
Oh,
This
no.
little loft bit.
There's just
comes with a
stuff
ladder.
in the background that we made the last episode.
Yeah. So you can see we have these little things. There's little hangers
There's
on the bottom.
bags and bags and bags.
There's so many bags.
Yeah.
And if you open up here, there's a little mirror. So you can keep a lot of stuff in this. And then there's a
It's kind of worth it though.
little
It's
drawer.
like so worth it to get these.
And then there's this little top bunk.
Come on.
Something fall again. The same thing.
Here's your drawer.
Oh, my drawer fell. But there's a pink little mattress. Little piece. And then there's a pink blanket. Pink. And then you can see you can put your little pets, like little pet shops, or you can put your Calico Critters.
Calico Critters. Do-do-do.
Because Calico Critter stuff usually works.
Look, there's a little
Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Oh my, there's a tiny spoon, people.
There's a tiny spoon for babies.
For babies.
For babies. It's not to eat babies.
It's for babies to use.
It's not to eat babies. Stop thinking it's to eat the babies.
It's not.
Eat.
Yeah. Put the match.
Time to get the adorable out. Did it?
The adorable.
Yeah.
Where's the blanket? I'm gonna
What
look
blanket?
at this stuff.
You mean?
Oh, it's so cute.
Okay, well actually, just take out the plastic and make a room out of it after.
I wish we could cut, but we can't.
Huh?
I wish we could cut, but we can't.
Well, they'll watch us.
Put this room together.
Uh-huh.
Just put this ladder, just move the stuff out of the way. I'm also putting the camera down a little bit.
You start setting up while I throw away stuff.
Throw away. So put the little bed over here.
And we can also put this in with our little trumpet.
Put the
Oh, almost forgot to open this. I'll open this.
Like this.
Look!
Oh, it's so cute. Setting up a little cute room. And this is like a little,
I think it's a blanket. It's a blanket.
no, it's like a little play mat thing.
Oh, okay. There's also a book. So
There's so much stuff. Oh, this book is so cute.
I need to put this on somebody.
Put it on the cat.
Okay.
There's also this, like, what are these? Oh my gosh.
It's a little diaper bag.
Oh, that is cute. No, they're shorts. They're short.
Put it on the bunny.
Oh, it's so cute. I'm going to put that little hanger on that thing. What are these, though? Like little magic wands? Like, what are these? Magic wands?
I'm guessing they are toys. Like rattles.
Oh, probably.
Oh no! Don't fly away.
What is this? Oh, it goes on the crib.
Oh, and you can... Oh, that's what they are.
Oh, they're for the thing, this thing. I'm gonna work on that while you putting on the clothes in the
Kind of hard.
putting on the clothes on the thing. Let's do it on camera because I'm busy right now. Okay, how do you do this? Where's the instruction book? What the?
I don't think it came with any.
So take this, put
Hmm.
Okay, I'm just not going to worry about that right
I don't think I can get this on. I think it has to be on a standing up one, so
now. Okay,
I'll put it on the bunny.
put in this things on the thing. Plop. Just put on whatever these are on the Ferris wheel looking thing. Where's the other one?
The other what? This one?
Is this it? No.
Yeah, that's one of them.
Really?
Yeah,
Really?
yeah.
What?
It came in it.
But okay, here's the little thing. I'm pretty sure that's not supposed to be there. Why is this cat naked?
Because I was trying to put stuff on it. You can put its clothes back on.
I want to put this on it.
I don't think it's meant for it.
Okay, I'm just gonna put it on the slide naked because I listen.
I'll put on the clothes for it.
Okay.
Here's its clothes if you want to put it on.
So I'm just going to I'm going to decorate this room. All pretty. Vivian, that was not part of this.
What?
You need to put that on.
Oh.
Yeah.
It just came in the bag.
Does this go in here?
Maybe.
Question mark? I'm guessing yes. Or maybe not.
Look at it!
Sorry for me being very quiet. Show it on the camera.
It's not done yet. It's being very quiet.
Yes, we're very quiet right now because we're like
Focusing.
focusing on.
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh, you mean?
Uh-huh. Oh my gosh.
It's so cute.
It's adorable. I'm gonna have it in the bed. Where's the little pillow?
I don't know where it went.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, I'm going to put on her little
Lollipop, are you okay? Made a weird sound. But what is this? It's a thing you bundle up the tiny babies in.
You need to bundle up this one.
Hold on.
I'll get her clothes on
She doesn't need clothes.
because she's gonna be bundled up.
Yeah. Okay, you start decorating while I do
Okay.
this. Oh, she could
Oh
bend
no,
that.
this fell out.
Okay. Get in there, you cat kitty.
Get in there, do do do. Get in there, get
Oh
in
my
there.
gosh, it's so cute.
Get in there.
Stop singing, please. You put it up on the top bit,
Oh.
like I don't know. Okay, so look at this little cat. It's very cute. It's bundled up, little like cocoon looking thing. Oh, I know it's like a bundle thing. I don't know what it's called.
There we go. Look.
Aw.
I'm going to
Eating candy. This is so cute.
Yeah.
And put that there. So maybe we should show off all the accessories. Show off all the accessories, please.
Okay. So we have this little tiny little toy where it drags it around. You know that? So you start decorating with things that I haven't showed off. And also there's another little
You mean
bundle.
things you have?
Uh-huh. There's a little bundle.
Like it's a bundle. It's definitely not a bundle.
Or whatever it is. Here's this adorable little stuffed animal, though. I love it.
It's a cat.
And a tiny little book, I'm guessing. And here's a tiny little spoon.
Say the words right,
A
please.
tiny little spoon. Here's a tiny ball. Cute little ball. We've already showed off this trumpet. And put the blanket on.
Put the blanket on the baby.
Oh.
Please show off the
I
food.
showed off.
Like,
Okay, where's the food?
The little food bowl.
Where's the food bowl?
Food bowl.
Oh, here's a little food bowl.
For animals. For the Calico Critters, not the home.
Here's a little bottle. And I'm guessing this is a brush. Oh,
It's a box of food.
okay. And I think this is like one of those things.
It's a rattle,
It's a rattle.
I think.
I think this is a rattle.
But I'm not sure.
So that's about it. Now we'll just decorate it.
Okay, I think we've decorated it already. Pretty good. He should be in the bed because, you know,
She's bundled up.
I have sticky on my hand. Just pop it on. Also, these things are like little, like, books for stuff and like stickers. But I think we decorated it pretty good. I have hair on my hand from it sticking onto me because I spilled stuff on it. That's sticky.
We'll just move some trash out of the picture. Wait! I need to put some clothes on the hangers.
Oh yeah, we need to do that because it's clothes on the
Do
hanger.
we have another pair of clothes? Another hanger?
We have 2.
Well, there's 3 clothes.
We'll just hang up those 2. I'm gonna go wash my hands. Actually, I won't. I'll just after that. Do not close, please. Okay, just hang that up.
Oh gosh, no. We'll just pretend she's wearing the other one.
Okay, it's probably gonna.
Yep. This was a long enough video. Kind of made up for
Okay.
other videos. So bye! Merry Christmas! Bye!
Bye.